I think that QA has a even larger vested interest in the stakeholders than maybe some of the software developers because and I hope you understand what I was saying earlier that as QA engineers, we our goal is to get solutions, quality solutions, right? The engineers focus a lot on software solutions for what we're working on, but our job is to provide quality solutions, and that's feedback on like from customer perspective, like what we are a voice for our customers, and we have to always have them in mind about what brings the best value and the best quality to our clients. You know, those are like the same. I think that QA has a even larger vested interest in the stakeholders than maybe some of the software developers because although they definitely care about like the quality of the software, but we see it through like we have to see it through the lens of a we have to see it through the lens of the user, right? The user who's using our software, they're the ones who's impacted the most. So we have to see it that way. We have to look at it through that lens. All right. So keep that in mind. So quality for the soft for our users, and we engineer ways to provide that quality. We can't just keep doing things. We can't just be doing things over and over and over again.
If you enjoyed the fascinating information shared in this video and you want more, be sure to hit the subscribe button to Tech Coach Ralph to be notified for new videos.